In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox while playing on your PlayStation 5, so you can talk to friends and teammates in-game. Step 1. Log into your Roblox account. Open Roblox on your PS5 and sign in with your Roblox account. Make sure your account is age verified and you're at least 13 years old. Step 2. Enable voice chat on Roblox website. Go to roblox.com using a browser on your phone or computer. Click the gear icon, Settings, Privacy. Scroll down and toggle Enable voice chat to on. Step 3. Use a headset with microphone. Connect a headset with a built-in mic to your PS5 controller. Roblox will automatically use your PS5's input-output devices. Important notes. Voice chat only works in games that support it. Your Roblox account must pass age verification to access voice chat. Some users may need to verify their phone number and email for extra security. Make sure to check your privacy settings on PS5 to allow voice communication. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Roblox and PlayStation tips.